GB Remanufacturing has entered the LB7 high pressure line market with a very, very good product. The GB high pressure lines for the LB7s, we offer these as a full kit with all 8 lines to do a complete engine installation. We also offer them as individual lines if you're just replacing one line. If you're doing an LB7 injector install, we always suggest that you replace the high pressure lines. The high pressure lines, and you can see here the corrosion that gets inside of these lines. When you're doing a new install on a brand new injector, this corrosion can, if you use these lines back, the corrosion can get down in the injector and just basically ruin the injector. That would be a fuel contamination. It would be a non-warrantable thing. So GB has got brand new lines for you. Again, we offer these as full sets or in individual parts. This is a really great product. We hope that you will consider using these. If you have a question about this product or any of our other products, please give us a call, like and subscribe to our channel. GB Reman LB7 high pressure fuel lines. Thanks for watching.